Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a short tutorial on how to kind of fix a knitting project because I truly cannot knit well or straight enough to save my life. So what I did instead was turn my mistake into a little baby hat. So if you're in the same boat as I am, fear not. I was originally planning to make a little baby blanket or scarf, but in all honesty, I just wanted this project to end, and the whole thing was not coming out square for some reason. So it could just be because of the type of yarn I used, which can be a little slippery. I used a hat for 0 to 3 month olds as a template to make sure that it would fit, and luckily it did, with some seam allowance I could sew around the edge. Instead was fold it in half and sew along the edges like I'm doing here with a regular needle and cotton thread. Now the good thing about the type of fuzzy yarn I'm using, which I got from Dollarama for I believe $3, is that thread gets hidden pretty well, so you can afford to be untidy and not match the color of the yarn. So after that's all done, the next step was to make the edges look symmetrical. So just roll up the edges, I pinned one of them down, and go ahead and sew it. Finally, to make it look extra cute, I used ribbon from a package of towels I received and tied them on the corners to mimic little ears. And honestly, that's all. It was super simple. I'm glad I didn't have to put this project to waste. And next time your knitting goes downhill, think about what else you can do or make with it. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Keep safe, keep indoors, and keep crafting. See you guys next time.